कल्पं निरीहं चिदाकाशमाकाश वासं भजेऽहं नमामि शमीशान निर्वाणरूपं विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्म वेदं स्वरूपं निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीहं चिदाकाशमाकाश वासं भजेऽहम्।
I salute the Lord Shiva, whose form represents the state of the highest nirvana, who manifests taking a form, though in a sense he is pervading everywhere, and his form embodies the highest knowledge of Brahman present in the core of the Vedas, who remain absorbed in his own self, which is beyond the three gunas, which is beyond any vikalpas, and which is free from any movement, who abides in the sky of Chidaksha. I worship that Ishna.
निराकार मोकार मूलं तुरीयं गिरा ज्ञान गोतीत मीशं गिरीशं करालं महाकाल कालं कृपालं गुणागार संसार पारं नतोऽहम्। निराकार मोकार मूलं तुरीयं गिरा ज्ञान गोतीत मीशं गिरीशं करालं महाकाल कालं कृपालं गुणागार संसार पारं नतोऽहम्।
Salutations to Shri Rudra, who is formless and the very root from where the sacred Omkara arises, who abides in the state of Turiya, that is the fourth state in which the Brahman is experienced in meditation. He is the Lord who is beyond the knowledge which speech can express, and beyond the perception which sense organs can perceive. He is Girisha, the Lord of the mountains. Taking the terrible form of Mahakala, he can tear apart Kala himself. At the same time, he is an embodiment of compassion to his devotees. I bow down to him who helps in crossing this samsara, which is like a dwelling place made of gunas.
तुषाराद्रिसङ्काश गौरं गम्भीरं मनोभूतकोटिप्रभाषे शरीरं स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोली निचारो गङ्गा लसद्धालवालेन्दु कण्ठे भुजङ्गा तुषाराद्रिसङ्काश गौरं गम्भीरं मनोभूतकोटिप्रभाषे शरीरं स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोली निचारो गङ्गा लसद्धालवालेन्दु कण्ठे भुजङ्गा।
Salutations to Shri Rudra, whose shining white resembling a mountain of snow, and his being is very, very deep, in the depth of whose mind exist millions of rays of splendor, which expresses themselves on his auspicious body, over whose head the beautiful Ganga throbs and surges forth towards the worlds, over whose forehead the newly risen moon shines, spreading its rays, and around whose neck adorns the beautiful serpents.
चलत्कुण्डलं भ्रू सुनेत्रं विशालं प्रसन्नाननं नीलकण्ठं दयालम् मृगाधीश चर्माम्बरं मुण्डमालं प्रियं शङ्करं सर्वनाथं भजामि चलत्कुण्डलं भ्रू सुनेत्रं विशालं प्रसन्नाननं नीलकण्ठं दयालम् मृगाधीश चर्माम्बरं मुण्डमालं प्रियं शङ्करं सर्वनाथं भजामि
Salutations to Shri Rudra, whose earrings sway near his beautiful face, which is adorned with a striking eyebrow and large beautiful eyes, whose face is beaming with joy and grace, whose throat is blue, who is extremely compassionate, whose clothes are the skin of the Lord of animals, and whose neck is adorned with a garland of skulls. I worship him who is beloved of his devotees, who is Shankara, and who is the Lord of all.
प्रचण्डं प्रकृष्टं प्रगल्भपरेशम् अखण्डं अजं भानु कोटिप्रकाशं त्रैशूलनिर्मूलनं शूलपाणि भजेऽहं भवानी पतिं भावगम्यम् प्रचण्डं प्रकृष्टं प्रगल्भपरेशम् अखण्डं अजं भानु कोटिप्रकाशं त्रैशूलनिर्मूलनं शूलपाणि भजेऽहं भवानी पतिं भावगम्यम्
Salutations to Shri Rudra, who is terrible, eminent, and extremely strong, who is the highest Lord, who is ever unborn and whole, and with the effulgence of million suns, who has a trident in hand, the three spikes of which uproot the bondages of the three gunas. I worship the consort of Devi Bhavani, who can be attained only by devotion.
कलातीत कल्याणे कल्पान्तकारी सदा सज्जनानन्द दाता पुरारी सच्चिदानंद संदोह मोहापहारी प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभो मन्मथारी।
Salutations to Shri Rudra, whose auspicious nature is beyond the elements of gross material world, and who brings an end to a kalpa, who always gives great joy to the wise men, and who is destroyer of Tripurasuras. By taking away the great delusion, he plunges the prepared soul in the fullness of Siddhananda. O the destroyer of Manmatha, please be gracious to me. Please be gracious to me, O Lord.
न यावद् उन्मानत् पदरविन्दं भजन्ति हि लोके परिवानराणां न तावत् सुखं शान्ति सन्तापनाशं प्रसीद प्रभो सर्वभूतादिवासम्। न यावद् उन्मानत् पदरविन्दं भजन्ति हि लोके परिवानराणां न तावत् सुखं शान्ति सन्तापनाशं प्रसीद प्रभो सर्वभूतादिवासम्।
Salutations to Shri Rudra. As long as the lotus feet of the Lord of Uma is not worshipped in this world or later by the human beings, so long that is till then joy, peace and end of sorrows will not be experienced in life. Therefore, O Lord, please be gracious, you who reside within all beings. Salutations to Shri Rudra. I do not know how to perform yoga, jana or puja. I always at all times only bow down to you. O Shambhu, please protect me from the sorrows of birth and old age, as well as from the sins which lead to sufferings. Please protect me, O Lord, from afflictions. Protect me, O my Lord Shambhu.
नमामि शमीशान निर्वाणरूपं विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्म वेदं स्वरूपम्।
Rudra Ashtakam, composed by Shri Goswami Tulsidas.